warm welcome to It's My Life, the program that brings you face to face with country's top politicians. This week we are in the Jharkhand of Haryana, tracking the youngest parliamentarian whose name also figures in the Limca Book of Records. He belongs to one of the most popular political families of Haryana. Let's meet INLD leader Dushyant Chautala. Welcome on It's My Life, Dushyant.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Hisar. And I think you are the first point of my constituency. From it goes up to 3 districts. And welcome to a khet of sarso, I can say.
Sarso khet which has dried up, huh?
Which has dried up, they have taken out the crop there, and I'll make you go look how they take out
So
the
you're going to do that?
I'll help them.
Oh, cool, let's see it. But many people, feel that the parliamentarians who've studied abroad, who've led a kind of an elite lifestyle, they probably are completely devoid of this lifestyle of a tractor or maybe the stone crushers.
If you have to speak about them, I think so you have to learn about them first. दाना तो छोटा है इस बारी, रेट के है 2700 रुपये, और वैसे खर्चा कितना लगता है, और इस बार जो बारिश आई है उससे कितना नुकसान है, तो लगभग 70% नुकसान है.
What is the kind of buffer which probably these farmers need against natural calamities like this, because it's so uncertain, it can happen anytime?
To overcome these, I think we have to make provisions under NDRF for such schemes that can provide them the money, or we have to get private companies. If we have got FDI into private sector, we have to ask private companies to come in.
But each time a Lok Sabha election is won, we see a lot of enterprising parliamentarians talking about new technologies, newer methods of how to give farmers the required buffer. But it never gets implemented.
New technologies are very easy to get introduced. But the problem is that
the implementation.
Implementation, and the farmers are also not willing to adopt those technologies.
A visit to a dhani was a small hutment in the middle of the field. Farmers complain that these dhanis still don't have any electricity supply.
2014 elections got over, and then just a few months into this, your stint as a parliamentarian, as a first timer, what is the real problem you are actually facing in your constituency?
See, my constituency, the largest challenge I have is getting electricity to the hamlet.
And most of the houses have the same problem. I mean,
no, majority. They're about, from my MP lad, I have given money to about 2,000 hamlets.
So far?
1.5 crore rupees have been diverted only to these houses.
I guess you're quite familiar with all this, huh? You've grown with all this.
I've lived here 5 साल अमेरिका
चने के खेत, सरसों के खेत, गेहूं के खेत. But you went abroad, and that elitism, the so-called elitism, has not come into your mind, huh?
No, see, if you are in Delhi, you have to be like Delhi. If you are with the people, you have to be. You cannot change. This is your culture.
But what is your original self when you are in Haryana?
I'm like this. Being with the people makes you happy. And these are the people who elected you, who made you what you are.
But you really wanted to be a politician, or the circumstances in the family forced you to become one?
I did my studies abroad. I was a business management student.
Yeah.
And after that, मेरा मन नहीं था मैं पॉलिटिक्स में आऊँ. I was कि मैं ठीक है अपना कोई काम वगैरह शुरू करूँगा, अच्छी तरह सेटल होऊंगा, देखेंगे if time permits in the future I'll join politics. But then this incident happened, and then I had to leave my studies, come into politics, और आज सांसद बना हुआ हूँ, लोगों के बीच में हूँ.
But you feel that the journey for you so far has been easy because probably your father and your grandfather were in politics?
It is never easy. If they are into politics before, तो अब learning बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुकी है. Plus, अगर आप first time MP हो and you are not from a political background, तो लोग कह देते हैं ये तो गलती कर रहा है, चलो पहली बार है. For me, I don't think so कि पहली बार is an option.
Why do people have a perception that हरियाणवी होगा तो वो बहुत ही rude होगा, अल्लड़ होगा?
हरियाणा has about 20 different क्या बोलते हैं versions of language. जहाँ अभी हम हैं ये देशवाली बेल्ट है. यहाँ पर
देशवाली बेल्ट is what?
देशवाली is more of this हरियाणवी जिसको मीडिया में बोलते हैं.
Okay, okay.
As you go towards हिसार, सिरसा, फतेहाबाद, that is more of a बागड़ी belt, that is Rajasthani.
The accent changes.
Accent changes if you travel to Rohtak from Bhiwani, it will change. वो भीतर आले तो वो थोड़ा सा डायलेक्ट में एक वो खड़ापन आ जाता है और आई थिंक वो खड़ापन लोग जो मीडिया में है वो रूडनेस उसको बना देते हैं.
They've captured the rudeness of the Haryanvi society. But who's your favorite star?
Favorite star if you say old time is धर्मेंद्र जी.
Oh.
Because वो किसान का बेटा था, गांव से उठकर गया, made a stand there. I think he is the evergreen in Haryana's favorite.
And what about your heroine?
Heroine also Hema Mandi because of his voice.
नू के नू गाँव में चलना बा.
अच्छा भाई, नू के नू गाँव में चलेंगे.
गाँव में चलेंगे नू के नू.
We've stopped at a village, Chaupal, where Dushyant is going to meet the villagers and also listen to their problems.
यहाँ आने पर हम पूरे काम को हल करके भाई साहब का हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करते हैं.
आपके बीच में आने का प्रोग्राम वैसे ही छापा मारी और मिलने आ गया आपसे. पास में गुजरानी में खेल का प्रोग्राम था तो सोचा गांव वालों से मिल लूँ, पूछ लूँ. जो पिछली बार चौपाड़ में 10 लाख रुपए की घोषणा करके गया था चारों पंचायत की, वो आगे आपके बीच में लगने लगी. और एक वो कोई दिक्कत थी वो अभी बता रहे थे कि वो चौपाड़ को धर्मशाला लिख दिया था तो वो भी ठीक हो के आ गई.
Dushyant, I've been to so many village Chaupals, but honestly speaking, I've never seen this big a cart or a bed, or I don't know what you're going to call it. What is this?
In the local language they call it a डेला. इसकी खासियत ये है कि ये 115 साल पुराना है. और ये चौपाल धनाना गांव की जो है वेरी ओल्ड, क्योंकि बहुत पुरानी ग्राम पंचायत है.
It's almost like a heritage court.
It is a heritage court, but they just rechange the threads and knits into it. और हर साल इसको नया बनाकर, और ये जो बेस है ये वही है जो मेरे को लगता है 10 पीढ़ियाँ पहले बना था.
But with new age MPs coming in and taking over the mantles of politics, have you thought of anything about modernizing a Chaupal?
See this Chaupal, it doesn't look like a Chaupal, it's like a hotel here. मगर जो पहले था they just redeveloped it, rechanged it. जैसे मैंने मेरे MP लैड से इस गांव में 10 लाख रुपए दिए तो उसको भी इधर लगाया गया डेवलप करने के.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब स्मार्ट सिटीज की बात कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट स्मार्ट चौपाल्स.
दिस इज स्मार्ट चौपाल.
रात में कभी गांव में आते हो तो आप इस पे सोते हो?
नहीं बिल्कुल, जहाँ रुकने का मौका मिलता है, जैसे पहले यात्राएं करी और करी तो जहाँ खाट मिली खाट पर थके.
गद्दे की कोई जरूरत
नहीं, इट इज़ द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल थिंग. और जब थके होते हो तो इससे बढ़िया नींद कहीं नहीं आती.
Bhiwani is considered to be a sports hub, and we are at an interstate wrestling championships where Dushyant will give away the prizes. Time for a short break. Don't go away. We'll come back with plenty more on It's My Life with Dushyant Chautala. Back in a moment.
Day 2 begins in the constituency with the Janta Darbar. Time now for the blessings from the maternal grandparents. After inaugurating a road in Hisar, Dushyant now is heading for the most important work in his constituency, which he feels is the clean-up campaign. The clean-up campaign starts with cleaning up the Hisar railway station.
Dushyant, this entire cleanup campaign which you have started, how are you ensuring that it doesn't get reduced to just a photo opportunity?
What we are trying to do is we are trying to get a team built that will include volunteers. As NSS from Agriculture University has come in, we will get NCC schools which have NCC. We will get the mayor help us with the staff, and we have asked the railway staff to increase the amount of sweepers.
Comparing it with Narendra Modi ji's Swachh Bharat mission, people are talking about the fact that the campaign is huge, but how do you really ensure that the mindset of the people also changes along with whatever is happening?
If you see this drawing, it says wash. Wash is water, sanitation and hygiene. So with these kinds of drawing, because there has to be visual, audio and physical explanation.
And you are getting these kind of graffitis in villages as well?
This is the first one we have started. Okay. And with this one, we will take it all around. I think we'll start with the railway station. We'll give one wall to HAU, one wall to GJU, one wall to Lala Lajpat Rai Veterinary University. Then we will give one small pieces to other colleges. So let's spread it, make it more colorful.
Another village Chaupal with some more farmer-related issues.
We reached a village called Makhand, which is part of the Jind district, and this village has been adopted by Dushyant. Dushyant, when you talk about Haryana, one thing Haryana has always been talked about is about the Khap Panchayats. They have always been known for their notoriety. A new age MP like you, what is the concept of a Khap Panchayat for you?
Nation has seen it only through news.
Okay.
I have Khaps all around my constituency, majority in this Jind and Hisar belt.
Okay.
और यहाँ पर कुछ और है और टीवी पर जो दिखता है वो कुछ और है.
But why is this perception?
There has been only one matter of Haryana, that was that Babli and Manoj matter that happened. That
honor killing, you're talking about.
Only one matter that has come up. Rest everything was in Uttar Pradesh.
What can a young MP like you do about this? To change the perception, because people call it a kangaroo court.
People call it anything they want to. What we have started doing is, we spoke to a couple of Khap Panchayats कि 50% of the revenue that is earned through the Khap Panchayat, they made a female Pradhan और उसको दिया कि you run the Khap Panchayat.
Okay.
So it is an initiative. देखो, cultures cannot be changed. हरियाणा और पंजाब और राजस्थान और उत्तर प्रदेश, it have always been a male dominated area. धीरे धीरे चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, महिला सशक्तिकरण हो रहा है, महिलाओं के पास ताकत आ रही है. But we don't expect changes that can come in a click.
With more than 15 meetings in a day, there was no time for lunch. And finally, we stop at a roadside dhaba for some snacky munches.
So how often do you get the time really to sit and enjoy like this on the cart and having khana, cold drink, whatever you want?
Today we are having bhogdas.
Bhogdas, chana.
Usually you don't get that much time because it's a very busy schedule whole day. Today being an easy day, in the evening you get time because everybody is busy in the fields.
But what are you actually fond of when you stop at the dhabas? What is your food preference?
If you stop for lunch or dinner, then you have the authentic dal they have with tandoori roti.
Desi ghee wali dal.
Desi ghee wali dal,
or
tandoori roti.
You try and avoid desi ghee?
No, I eat. It's basically tradition of Haryana. दूध दही का खाना इसलिए हरियाणा. तो सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ होती है when at the end.
But calories का चिंता नहीं होती ना?
You run in the morning, you cover up everything. और जितना देसी होगा, I think उतना ज़्यादा flavor होता है. जितना modernize हो जाता है, उतना flavorless हो जाता है because you get calorie conscious, you get conscious about other things.
Talking to you about the present style of governing of Narendra Modi ji, as an MP, what do you really feel?
See, there are a couple of things that
people say a lot of things about his way of functioning.
No, it is very good.
But you feel that the work culture has changed in Delhi?
It has to change. It has to change more, and I'm happy.
No, but do you feel the change now?
It has started changing, but it needs to get changed a little more.
What is your style of functioning in इन द कंस्टिट्यूएंसी? बहुत ज़्यादा डांटते वाटते हो लोगों को?
Not that much, but this आज मक्खन
मैंने कई एमपीज से बात किया, उन्होंने बोला अरे उनके जो मतलब एमपीज के जो स्टाफ होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ होता है कि बहुत डांटते हैं, बहुत चिल्लाते हैं.
If I talk to officers, sometimes they listen to me, sometimes they don't. There are policies that are by the government, पर नहीं करना चाहता क्योंकि पेपर वर्क बढ़ जाता है, तो वहाँ उनकी खिंचाई भी करनी पड़ती है. मगर मुझे लगता है जितना प्यार से काम होगा उतना जल्दी और अच्छा होगा, rather than किसी को डांट के करना.
But you know, when you enter politics, and especially, you know, coming from a political family, obviously cadres have a lot of expectations from you कि चौटाला जी का बेटा है, हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ करेगा. But बहुत लोग ऐसे भी होंगे ना जो तुमको देखते होंगे, बोलते होंगे कि बहुत नया है अभी पॉलिटिक्स में.
देखिए वो तो है, if somebody has been there into state politics or center politics for 40 years, 50 years, वो तो यही सोचेगा ना मेरा 40 साल का तजुर्बा है, इसका तो 4 महीने का नहीं है. तो उनके साथ compete भी करना है. If you see what I am doing in the parliament is that I have over 150 questions there. I have over 42 debates. I have tried to put 3 different bills in parliament. अब तक एक accept नहीं हुआ. मगर I am trying to do my best. आप उठाओ जो 8-8, 9-9 बार MPs हैं उनका
ऐसे भी
उठाओ.
बहुत MPs हैं
जिनने कुछ भी
बोला ही नहीं.
वो तो अपना रिलैक्स करने पार्लियामेंट है. कई ऐसे MP हैं जिनको 2 सेशन हो गए, 3 सेशन हो गए. I've never seen them only. तो एटलीस्ट कर तो रहा हूँ मैं.
Spoke about your great grandfather. What kind of memories have you had of?
See, I was 11 when he passed away. Whenever I came on holidays, उन्होंने मेरे से एक चीज़ बोली, कितना पढ़ लिया? क्योंकि उनको पता था when he became the DPM or became the Agriculture or Tourism Ministry of our country, उनको पता था education has an important role. और जब मैं उनको मिला सनार से छुट्टियों में आकर, उन्होंने हमेशा बोला कितना पढ़ लिया. और आई थिंक आई वाज इन 7th when he passed away. और जब तक मेरे को ये बोलते थे तूने बहुत पढ़ा.
But what do your dad and your grandfather tell you exactly?
See, they teach me.
What's the kind of message they give you when you?
They just
like every dada, you know.
They motivate me and they say there are a lot of things you have to learn, and this is a learning period. You're just 26.
But I'm sure people, when they see you, Devi Lal ji आप में दिखते होंगे. ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं.
चलो, अगर मेरा सौभाग्य है कोई मेरे को मेरे ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर से कंपेयर करता है.
But do you really feel that your father went to the jail because there was some kind of a political conspiracy?
My father was a member of parliament. वो तो state politics में भी नहीं थे. और फिर the judge says, being the chief minister's son, we give him 10 years. ये क्या सा कानून है? मुझे किताब में बताइए कि you are not even in the state government and you've been given 10 years of imprisonment. तो we are fighting it in the court और उम्मीद है माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया न्याय देगा. और न्याय तो हमेशा अगर है किसी के हाथ में तो जुडिशरी के है. और अगर जुडिशरी अपने आप को इतना ईमानदार और अच्छा मानती है तो मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ जब हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाएंगे तो हमें न्याय मिलेगा.
But I'm sure it's a challenge for you to divide your time between your constituency, your people, and then at the same time going meeting your father.
You have to balance
dealing with the case.
See, you have to balance it. And I think how well I balance will be a result after 5 years. If I don't come to my constituency and be in Delhi, then these people will say कि जीत गया और भाग गया. And if I don't be there तो वो कहेंगे केस नहीं देख रहा. तो वो तो balance है. I spend 4 days here, 3 days there, but I balance it out. चल भाई, बहुत हुई बात. अब ब्रेक का समय आ गया. भोगड़े खाओ और ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.
Particular about his fitness, Dushyant never leaves home without a workout. Cooking is another element which de-stresses him. Now get ready for some tadka wali dal and onion vegetable.
After so much of hard work, it's time now to earn a lavish spread for ourselves. And all these dishes which you see here have been prepared by Dushyant, trust me, and we're going to talk to him about it. But let me introduce you to his brother Digvijay, who joins us on the show. Digvijay, welcome on It's My Life. I'm going to begin with Dushyant. How many people really know that you're such a good cook?
No, I've been cooking when I was in college in America. There was no Indian cook with me.
Okay.
The majority of the time I had to cook on my own. I think at the end...
So you perfected the...
Yeah, that's all.
And Digvijay, which is the dish which you really like prepared by Dushyant?
Dushyant is mostly cooking this non-veg thingy, which is not out of my cup of tea.
Okay. You're totally a vegetarian.
So I'm a vegetarian. So what I do is when he's preparing the gravy, I just take half of it and prepare paneer out of it and do things like that.
Many of the pictures which Dushyant I have seen of your earlier days, you were very bulky. If you want to share your weight with the audience, what is it really?
I was about 150 kg.
150.
50 kg.
But it was regular exercise. And when I was in the US,
And now you're
I'm about 99.
99. What was the reason why you put on so much weight in your
When I
earlier
was in
days?
America, it was very hard to find Indian food.
So you were on the junk
Fastest
food.
thing that you could go is go to the drive-thru, pick up a burger. Or I was in the California.
Let me
side,
tell
so-
you the truth.
No,
He
let
never-
him speak now, yes.
He never stopped. You know,
Okay.
I mean, he always used to say, I mean, this is my limit, but he never used to stop.
Both of you are unmarried, no?
Yes.
So you want
Luckily,
to share,
luckily.
You want to share some secrets, quote unquote, about your girlfriends or anything?
For the last 2 years, we are more or less in this political jeopardy.
So no dating business at the
So
moment.
no dating at the
अभी
moment.
नहीं,
But,
अभी कुछ नहीं है, अभी तो सिर्फ काम है.
And no marriage plans also as of now.
not as of now, but hopefully.
हो जाएगा इसमें.
इसका
वो
जल्दी हो
जल्दी हो
जाएगा.
जाएगा. ये तो इसका टाइम निकल रहा है. This passing में.
For last 2 years, everybody is saying तेरा time निकल रहा है. बचे हुए हैं जब तक बचे रहे.
So you haven't given any special preference to her. Oh, I like this girl or something. No.
It's more or less our family has been that very married family. And first, you should try this. It's more or less like chutney.
This is the chutney sabzi.
Chutney sabzi. It's basically in the villages.
Okay.
This is the fastest thing to cook. और घर में कुछ नहीं होता तो टमाटर प्याज मिल जाता है.
Actually,
Okay, so this is
सच्चाई-
the tomato and
सच्चाई-
pyaz ka sabzi prepared by Dushyant. I'm going to eat it.
This is
So this
guar
used to
ki
be-
fali.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's not like
You
these.
take it
I'll
out.
take it.
So you really take the time to go and watch films together, both of you?
हाँ.
We take our time.
You do. Trust me, the sabzi is really good.
Thank you.
Very nice. What else do you do apart from your political career? If I'm talking about the other side of your life.
See, cooking is one part. When you are
Buying
stressed,
riders.
when you are stressed out, I think cooking helps you relieve everything. And I usually do it once a week, twice a week when I'm fully stressed out. It's a stress buster. Sometimes reading books.
Okay. But what sort of books do you really follow?
I've been a lover of the most business books you can say.
Okay. Okay.
Malcolm Gladwell and all those people.
Okay.
They have good ideas there.
Okay.
There was a book called Tipping Point. Very nice.
Initial days we used to call him the engineer of our family. कि कुछ भी का खराब हो जाए तो just take it to Dushyant and he'll just sort it all right.
Yeah, I'm like the
Probably.
unskilled engineer.
But you were also with him in US, no?
No, I was in London.
Okay, okay.
I was in.
So what career did you pursue there?
Doing law. And I used to also represent the Austerley Cricket Club. And that is the second division of the county cricket they have
Okay.
back in there. So I always used to be a cricketer and I did my law from there.
So you were a cricketer, but you've not been on any sport
No,
law.
I was a basketball captain when I was in school.
Time
Okay.
pass.
But when I,
He's like time pass.
more or less because after school, I stopped doing all this. I was a gym fanatic when I lost weight in US.
Okay. But you guys are not fan of music.
We are.
Yeah.
So what?
More or less Punjabi music.
Oh.
Because Haryana is touching to Punjab.
Okay.
In Haryana, you'll see majority of people listening to Punjabi music.
Any particular song which you really like in Bollywood?
If you talk about evergreen songs, Ye Dosti Humne Chhodenge Shole, that was a good song.
That's why we call him Buddha of our family. Aane gaane.
Dushyant, you're doing a really commendable job as far as your first innings as a politician is concerned. Where do you really want to see yourself maybe 5 years down the line or maybe 10 years down the line? How have you really
The
prioritized your...
responsibilities, what I have on my shoulders, I think I'm trying to do my level best in it. I've started seeing barriers coming in because opposition is setting in and then bureaucracy is a roadblock every time we see. But I think if you have to lead the nation, if you have to take the nation forward, you have to jump over them. लोक लाज से चलता है कि लोगों के दिया हुआ राज लोगों की सेवा से आगे बढ़ता है. So I think that was a statement every person should learn in politics, that people have given you the power. They have elected you, made you their representative. I think you have to think about them first, then yourself.
Where do you really want to see your brother? Because you know many youngsters in Haryana, I don't know, there is a perception like that you know, acha,
No, he's not going to stop. He's not going to stop, and I believe he's such a challenge for the opposition at such an early age. So, ठीक है, he's not going to stop. And I don't actually dream of seeing him कि यहीं देखना है. ये तो गाड़ी है, it is a रेल गाड़ी. It has started और junction नहीं है.
So Vishen, wish you a great innings ahead, and thanks to Digvijay also for coming on this program. So that's it on this episode of It's My Life. See you next time with another personality. Goodbye and thanks for watching.